Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome to the part number 2 of unit number 3 Living on Earth. Class, in this part we will discuss about the habitats first. The word habitat means maskan. The place where animal or plant lives is called habitat. To survive in this world, the word survive means zinda rehna. An animal needs food, water, air and shelter. क्लास द वर्ड शेल्टर मीन्स घर, यानी एनिमल्स को ज़िंदा रहने के लिए खुराक, पानी, हवा और घर की ज़रूरत होती है. A good habitat provides all these things. Different plants and animals live in different habitats. The environment which suits them according to their requirements, they start living and growing there. Here we will discuss about few different habitats. First we will discuss about the polar regions, yani Qutbi Khitta. Those animals like bear, some types of foxes, penguins and whales live in polar regions because that climate suits them and their bodies have fur or thick skin which is suitable for this cold climate regions. Deserts are the places where there is less water, so in this habitat those animals live who can survive without or less water for longer time. They have special sorts of eyes and they have special sorts of thick eyelashes, so they can protect themselves from the sand of deserts. The common examples of these animals are camels, foxes, snakes and cactus plants, etc. Our next habitat is sea. In sea, those aquatic animals live who can either breathe underwater or cannot. If they can't breathe underwater, they come out of the water to breathe for some while. Class, the word aquatic means आबी यानी पानी में रहने वाले जानवर. So in this habitat, few aquatic animals live underwater and few like snail live underwater and on the land too. Class, rivers and lakes are the habitats where we can see both aquatic or land animals and birds. We can take an example of duck. It can spend its life in river or lakes and also comes out of the water. So these habitats are suitable for swans, ducks, snakes, fish and for lots of birds and insects. And we can see beautiful plants in outside and inside the rivers and lakes too. Forest. In forest we can see the tall trees like pines. The wild animals live here. This habitat is suitable for wild animals. So we can see the tigers, lions, monkeys, elephants and jaguars etc. in this habitat, and we can see some wild trees and plants here too. So this habitat is suitable for all wild plants, animals and birds. So class, these all are few habitats which are suitable for different kinds of plants and animals. Our next topic is ecosystem. The living things in a particular place interact with each other and with their non-living environment. Particular means khas, yani particular place means khas jagah. Class, this is called ecosystem. In other words, we can say that an ecosystem is made up of all the living and non-living things in an area. This includes all the plants, animals and other living things in an area. Now the question is, what are the non-living things of ecosystem? So class, the important non-living things of an ecosystem involves the sunlight, temperature, water, air, wind, rocks and soil etc. Class, ecosystem can be affected if a new plant or animal is introduced into them. It can also be destroyed by the storms, which means tufan, floods yani salab, fires yani aag ka lagna, and volcanic eruptions. This means Atish Vishanka Bhatna. Because of this volcanic eruption, the earthquake hits the some part of the land and change the land from inside and outside. These natural disasters can affect the ecosystem very badly. And the word natural disaster means Kudrati Afat. Now, class, look at this picture. As we know that plants and animals depend on each other to survive. The word survive means zinda rehna. So they live together and they build the ecosystem. We can see in this picture the plants and few birds and fish. They all are making an ecosystem. We can see some non-living factors as well like sun and clouds, etc. So the excess of anything can destroy the ecosystem. The word excess means zyada hona. Class, if it rains for longer, it results in too much water and can destroy the land area. Similarly, if the fire catches the plants, it will affect the life which depends on plants. So everything must be in balance, otherwise the ecosystem will destroy. Let's move on to the next topic, that is extinct animals. Extinct animals means napaid janwar. Some animals are extinct. The word extinct means that they no longer exist. The dinosaurs became extinct long ago. And the main reason, according to scientists, of becoming extinct of dinosaurs is the climatic changes. Some animals become extinct due to the hunting by humans, and the example is dodo. So, because of such actions of humans and climatic conditions, lots of animals are no more alive on this planet Earth. Now, we will discuss how humans affect animals and their habitats. Humans can disrupt habitat. The word disrupt means खलल डालना या रुकावट पैदा करना by changing them. This in turn can disrupt a whole ecosystem. So let's check how they disrupt the ecosystem. Class, when the land is cleared in order to build a house, this can have an impact on a large number of plants and animals. For example, small animals lose their homes and their sources of food. They need to find food and shelter elsewhere in order to survive. So they leave that habitat and go into another. So class, that's how human affects the ecosystem. If we talk about Pakistan, in Pakistan some animals are in danger of becoming extinct. And the examples of these animals are mountain sheep, Asian black bear, mountain weasel, forest dormouse, etc. So class, these endangered animals need our help to protect them. We should stop hunting them for their skin because people use their skin to make expensive leathers. So we should make an awareness to stop hunting them. We also can make laws and can give the punishments if someone breach the law. यानी अगर कोई लॉ को तोड़े तो हमें उन्हें सख्त सजाएं देनी चाहिए ताकि इन जानवरों को नापैद होने से बचाया जा सके. So class, in this part we have discussed about the habitats of different animals and plants. We have discussed about the ecosystem and how the human activities are affecting these animals and the ecosystem. So read the chapter for 5 times and learn all the difficult words. Thank you.